Cardano has boomed, and it's recently been taking out new all-time highs, getting up over 20% in just one day. In yesterday's video, we made a video called the Cardano Crash because Cardano dropped from $1.96 all the way down to $1.45 in the space of just 15 or so minutes when Elon Musk tweeted about Bitcoin. However, in that video, I contended that Cardano is going to be one of the strongest coins to rebound, and it's already showing that it is one of the strongest coins to rebound so far. And in today's video, I'm going to say why I believe Cardano is going to keep going and rebound even further. Also, we're going to look at two other projects that are rebounding from this dip very strongly, and I do believe these projects will go very well. These are Polkadot and Internet Computer, and I think they're going to do just great. If you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe. We're approaching 300 subscribers, and it would be much appreciated if you helped grow the channel in its early stages. Of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should do your own research on these projects. So the big news for Cardano right now, what's happening? Well, Goguen is coming out. Now, this is the third stage of Cardano's roadmap. There was Byron, there was Shelley, now there's Goguen. Goguen is the biggest stage of Cardano's roadmap because what Goguen is going to be doing is this is going to be introducing smart contracts onto Cardano. All smart contracts are is they allow money to be programmable. So this money only exchanges hands once a set of conditions have actually been met. These conditions could really be anything that you could code onto Cardano. If you wanted to make up your own driving service without a middleman, you could just make it so someone codes in a location, and once you drive to the location, the funds will exchange hands. It has a range of use cases, and programmable money is very good. Also, this is going to be coming in August, which is huge for Cardano, and what we're going to see right now is we're going to see an influx of projects all launching off Cardano. There will be an explosion of new projects coming onto the Cardano network. One project that has recently came on, and it's came on in the past day or is starting to get ready to launch onto Cardano when the smart contract phase comes, is DeFi. DeFi is basically just something that connects Cardano to the decentralized exchanges, sets up liquidity pools, and does a bunch of technical stuff, which I won't go into this video. However, this project has raised $5 million of pre-funding before getting onto Cardano, which is huge. So this program has some big backers like Morningstar and a few other huge venture capitals. It looks pretty good. The project has specifically said that Cardano will be the go-to destination for massive flows of on-chain liquidity once smart contracts are released. So all they're saying is a whole bunch of projects like their own are going to want to build off Cardano with smart contracts. We know Cardano is technologically amazing. It does thousands of transactions per second, and this is going to get up to 2.5 million transactions per second in its final form, and a lot of projects are going to build off Cardano and use this new smart contract functionality, and DeFi says that they will be light years ahead of the competition with this on it. So there's some huge bullish news for Cardano right now, and we're going to take a look into the price charts to see how Cardano is responding to all of this news and see what it takes for Cardano to have another pump right back up to the $6 or up to the $5 plus range for the first time, which I think is achievable in the long run or in this market cycle. Alright, so Cardano has been extremely bullish on this dip. As we can see, Cardano is up around 15% on the day at $1.91. It was recently getting highs of $1.96. Ethereum's down 5% on the day, Bitcoin's down 2% on the day, BNB is down 6%, Dogecoin was down heaps. However, just recently, Elon Musk actually tweeted that Tesla's looking into Dogecoin, so it had another stupid pump. Dogecoin doesn't really count, and we can see right now, Cardano's looking extremely bullish right now compared to all the other cryptos. Everything else is currently down 5%, and there's a lot of red right now in the crypto market, but then you can see Cardano and Polkadot both breaking out, Cardano reaching new all-time highs while everything's down, and this is a bit confusing. Why would this be happening? So let's take a look at the Cardano chart specifically. Yesterday we speculated that Cardano can be a lot further extended than it currently is from this red moving average. I said it's been 160% before and 211% before. Currently Cardano, yesterday it was 67% extended, however today it is about 90% extended on the all-time highs for Cardano. I believe it can get a lot more extended, and if this goes even further, goes from 90% to say 180%, we're going to start seeing over $3 Cardano pretty quickly, and I think this is doable. So, yesterday we took a look at Cardano before this market cycle. We saw that it was trading at around 175 days of trading sideways before it had a huge breakout. And as we can see, if we look at basically the bottom of this candle, this breakout was effectively 900%. That's how far Cardano broke out. If we broke out a similar amount, 900% this time from the trading pattern, we would effectively be seeing near to a $20 or an $18 ADA. An $18 Cardano is pretty unrealistic right now. It happened earlier. However, we're definitely going to see diminished returns throughout this cycle. I do believe Cardano does look like it's getting ready to break out, however, like it did previously, and we can see a lot of buying pressure on Cardano right now. When Bitcoin dumped, Cardano went right down to $1.40, but the buyers really came in, the holders held, and it's gone all the way up to $1.92. So Cardano's looking pretty good right now. Also, one thing to speculate on why I think Cardano's risen so much, and a lot of it's due, in my opinion, to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Basically, we can see that Ethereum has recently been dipping and trading sideways. When we see Ethereum consolidate and have a bit of a bounce, this is generally very bullish for Cardano. If Ethereum's going up and breaking new all-time highs, Cardano won't move. Cardano first broke out in this period where Ethereum traded sideways at 3,500, and now it's broken out again when Ethereum is trading sideways around 3,700, having a bounce. If Ethereum breaks new all-time highs, I don't think Cardano will break out. Same with Bitcoin. Cardano's doing best against Bitcoin when Bitcoin dips and then has a bounce. This is a common pattern with all altcoins. When Bitcoin and Ethereum are pushing up, making new all-time highs, it's generally not alt season. We don't see these coins trade exactly together. It generally takes these coins to rest before Cardano can actually break out. So, I think with Ethereum's big run up, it's time for it to trade sideways a little bit, hang around the $4,000 mark, and I think we can see Cardano really start breaking out against Ethereum. So, all in all, I'm very bullish on Cardano right now, and that's going to end the Cardano segment for this video. I do believe Cardano is looking fantastic right now. It's having a nice breakout, pushing above $1.90. I think we're going to hit $2 very soon, and now we're going to take a look at the other projects that I'm also very bullish on. The first project that I'm very bullish on is called Polkadot. Polkadot has typically followed Cardano the whole way through this market cycle. Polkadot trades sideways, then explodes with Cardano. We know Cardano was made by Charles Hoskinson, Polkadot made by Gavin Wood, both founders of Ethereum, and these tend to mirror each other. Polkadot really is just a massive network that provides interoperability between blockchains so they can scale together. It's pretty complex. It's a bit like an internet of blockchains, and Polkadot's a very good project that I will be following throughout this market cycle. As we can see, Polkadot's having a great day along with Cardano. It's up 10% on the day, which is a pretty big day when everything else is bleeding. Polkadot's one of these things that is going just great right now. Polkadot's still in the sideways trading pattern that I've got marked for it, where it's trading somewhere between $29 and $46, and it has been doing so for an extended period of time, and I believe it's only a matter of time before Polkadot breaks out just like Cardano did. Polkadot's looking like it's in a pretty good position right now, and I think it's sort of set up like Cardano to really follow in it and break out. So that's what I think of Polkadot right now. It's really strong in this dip, and I think it's one of the stronger altcoins for the current dip. The last project is Dfinity, or Internet Computer. Many of you may have seen this pop up on CoinMarketCap and not know what it is. I'm about to release a full breakdown of Internet Computer in the next coming days, so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see that video. However, Internet Computer is a new project that looks really great and is going pretty well right now. What this is aiming to do is effectively decentralize the internet. So many firms right now will build off certain services. They're going to build off, say, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Facebook, and all of these monopolistic services to secure their data and build on the cloud. Now, Dfinity provides an alternative. Instead of building off these services can build off a decentralized network and a decentralized internet called Dfinity. It's already had tons of stuff building off Dfinity right now. And I believe Dfinity is looking in a really good position to capitalize on this market cycle. It came out on May the 11th, just a couple of days ago, and I really do believe Dfinity is going to be one of the great projects. It provides a way to decentralize the internet, so people won't need to use the traditional internet that's controlled by Google, Apple, Amazon, all of these big companies. They can instead use Dfinity, and Dfinity is way faster than the normal internet, and it runs at a huge scale. It's a massive project that is looking primed to benefit from this market cycle. Of course, there's not too much on the charts for Dfinity because it just came out, but it's trading in around $39 billion, which I think is a decent price, but I want to see it stabilize a little bit more because it just came out before I decide a price to enter in. I think this is definitely a top 10 crypto, and it's looking pretty bullish right now in the crypto market while everything is looking a little bit red. So Dfinity is one of these projects that I really like. However, I should also note, Dfinity has basically a ton of supply. It's fully diluted market cap is 150 billion. So you should take this into account that it's a 150 billion market cap if all of the supply was out in the open, which it's not, but it eventually will be. So Internet Computer is definitely one that I'm also looking at along with the other cryptocurrencies this market cycle. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to subscribe to the channel. We're just coming up on 300 subscribers, and it would be very helpful if you could help subscribe to the channel. It'll motivate me to keep making these videos every day. Thanks for watching the content.